Hello children, welcome to our channel. Grade 7 and 8 math classes by Brahmini. Now let us discuss how to find the missing dimensions in the given figure, in the given question. Here the curved surface area of a cylinder of radius 8 centimeters is 1760 centimeters square. They asked us to find out the height. How to find out the height? That means height is the missing dimension here. So the curved surface area is given and the radius is given. We have to find out the height. So we know that curved surface area of cylinder as per the question is 1760, and we know that curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH is equal to 1760. We know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R stands for radius, which is equal to 8 centimeters, into height is equal to 1760. Upon multiplying all the numerators, we get it as 44 into 8 into h is equal to, shift 7 to the other side, 1760 into 7. So here height is equal to, shift these two numbers to the other side, 1760 into 7 by 44 into 8. This is the one. So 44 ones are 44 40s are. So we'll be left out with 40 into 7 by 8. 8 ones are 8 fives are. So which is equal to 35 centimeters. So therefore the height is equal to 35 centimeters. Children, now let us discuss a word problem on finding the curved surface area of the cylinder. So here in this question, in a building there are 30 cylindrical pillars. The radius of each pillar is 42 meters and the height is 7 meters. Find the total cost of painting the curved surface area of all pillars at 10 per meter square. So in this building there are 30 pillars. So the radius of each pillar is given as 42 meters and the height is given as 7 meters. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of all the pillars. So to find out the curved surface area of all the pillars, the question itself is there, curved surface area of all pillars. So how many pillars are there here? 30 pillars are there. So if we find out the cost of the curved surface area of one pillar, then 30 pillars will be, then curved surface area of 30 pillars will be that curved surface area of one pillar into 30. So here they gave 10 per meter square. Once we find out the curved surface area of all the pillars, then we can find out the cost. So to find out for all the pillars, we first need to find out the curved surface area of one pillar. We know that curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 is the value of pi and the R value here is radius. So the radius is 42 meters into height 7. So here 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 7. So we have to check for any possible cancellations. So 7 ones are, 7 sevens are gets cancelled. So here 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So we will get here 44 into 42, which is equal to 1848 meter square. This is the CSA of one cylinder. This is the CSA of one pillar. So we have 30 pillars here. We have to find out the curved surface area of all the pillars. So CSA of 30 pillars is equal to 1848 into 30. So which gives you 55,440 meter square. So the CSA of 30 pillars is equal to 55,440 40 meter square. And in the question it's given as the cost of painting 1 meter square is equal to 10 rupees. So 10 per meter square means the cost of painting 1 meter square is equal to 10 rupees. So we have to paint 55,440 meter square. So the cost of painting 1 meter square is equal to 10 rupees. Then the cost of painting the curved surface, the cost of painting the total surface area, curved surface area of all pillars is nothing but the CSA of 30 pillars. So the cost of painting 55,400 meter square is equal to 55,440 into 10, which gives you 5,55,054. Which gives you 5,54,400. So in this way we have to find out the cost of painting the curved surface area of all the pillars. First we need to find out the curved surface area of one pillar, and curved surface area of 30 pillars is equal to 30 into curved surface area of one pillar. Cost of painting 1 meter square is equal to 10. So the cost of painting this much meter square is equal to 55,440 into 10. This gives you value. So children, thank you for watching.